Welcome to another FEMITECH video tutorial. For this video, I will be looking at the COKTIK Insulated stainless steel water bottle. I will be giving you 5 reasons why you need to buy one. 1. If you are someone who loves to be drinking a hot cup of tea throughout the day while on the road, then this is a must buy for you. This is due to the fact that this insulated bottle comes with a double-walled which creates a vacuum to trap the heat for an extended period of time. It will keep your tea hot for up to 12 hours. That is more than enough time for tea lovers. 2. Do you want to go hiking on a hot summer day, a day that you need to constantly drinking cold water? If you answer yes, then this is a perfect water bottle for you. This is due to the fact that it will keep 22 ounces of water cold for an entire day for you. What more could you ask for from a water bottle? 3. The bottle mostly is made from stainless steels which is free from toxins such as BPAs. On another day, environmentally friendly is the term I would use. 4. The COKTIK water bottle is more than convenient, as it can fit in car cup holder, in your mountain bike rack or school bag. 5. It gives you a comfortable feeling when drinking as it come with various drinking lids, which are a straw lid, a spout lid and a flip lid. Thanks for watching. Click the link below to learn more. Please remember to like and share the video. Also click that subscription button.